Hey everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and as you can see by my background, I am back home and I want to hit the ground running. I can't wait for my collab with Crafting Journey with Rebecca. I'm super excited and I'm going to be blinging out this piece. I mean, Halloween is a time for glow in the dark, for sparkle, for let your light shine. And so I can't wait to do that, but I want you to be able to do it as well. So down below is a link to get 15% off using DP Gen 15. But I am also going to be giving away three prizes of DP with sparklers, and each one of the three are going to get 2 sets of what you might need to help bling out your TSA canvas. However, the only way to get in is to do the collab with us. So please, down below, there's a second link. Fill out the Google form for me. It sends me an automatic email with your TSA order number. If you've already ordered using my DP Gen 15, go back in, fill out the form, and put in your TSA order number. I'll match it up on my side just to verify that you actually did use it, and then you will be in the drawing for the 3 prizes. Out of the 3 prizes, each prize will be 2 ABs or glow in the darks, and I can't wait. So please order now because it takes up to 3 weeks to get your diamond painting, and I want to be able to jump on board with you and let you have so much fun with sparklers and glow in the dark. So please, down below there's a link to order and a link to fill out so you can be in the running. I am going to close this in 2 weeks, so you have 2 weeks to order. That's usually a paycheck rotation, so please go and order now. Now is the time, so you can get it in plenty of time, and so I can place your order with DP with sparklers, and you can receive it and hit the ground running too, just like me. So I can't wait to see you in the collab. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.